In this video, I will show you how much Sailing Magic Carpet makes money on YouTube 2023. Let's get started. They created their channel since May 13, 2018. They have 289,000 subscribers. Until now, total uploaded 153 videos. And now let's go over Sailing Magic Carpet channel analytics. This is statistics views for Sailing Magic Carpet channel. Daily views, 13,500 views. Weekly views, 95,000 views. Monthly views, 407,000 views. Total views, 23,255,000 views. Next, videos performance on Sailing Magic Carpet channel. This is the latest videos for Sailing Magic Carpet channel. This video has gotten 65,000 views and 65,000 views. The estimated income Sailing Magic Carpet with the latest videos, $260 and $260 since published on YouTube. And this is the most popular video for Sailing Magic Carpet channel. This video has gotten 936,000 views since published on YouTube. The estimated income Sailing Magic Carpet with the most popular video, $3,744 since published on YouTube. Now, how much Sailing Magic Carpet makes money on YouTube 2023. And this is the estimated income for Sailing Magic Carpet channel. Estimated monthly earnings, $1,600. Estimated yearly earnings, $19,500. And the last, the estimated all-time revenue Sailing Magic Carpet channel, $93,020.